Useful tools to use when cooking sugar are a heavy bottom sauce pot, a high heat spatula, a non-stick mat, and a sugar thermometer. To make pecan brittle, scale into a heavy bottom sauce pot 100 grams of cane sugar, 50 grams of honey, 25 grams of water, and a pinch of salt. Then bring to a boil. When your candy thermometer reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit or over 120 degrees Celsius, add 70 grams of chopped pecans and mix them in. Then continue to cook until the sugar mixture reaches the crack stages of between 280 and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The sugar will continue to cook, so to avoid burning the sugar, turn off the heat when the sugar reaches 280 or soft crack, and mix in 15 grams of room temperature butter. Then working quickly, mix in 3 grams of baking soda and pour onto a high heat non-stick mat or parchment lined baking sheet. Careful not to get any of the hot caramel on your hands and spread the brittle as thin as possible. Then allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes. The brittle breaks apart easily with your fingers when cool. Store it in an airtight container in a cool place. The pecan brittle will keep for a couple of months.